What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. As you can see, we have Nick over here. We are down in the OC area. I want to take some photos over here by Irvine with some palm trees and buildings. It's different than, you know, just always taking pictures in LA of my car or myself. We actually also came down here because there's an R8 that Nick is pretty interested in. It's in his favorite color, red. So we're at this dealership once again, Eurocar OC. As you guys know, they have the craziest inventory. They've got everything you could possibly think of, and we're like, fuck it, like, let's stop by, let's check out this car. It's a red R8, perfect spec. As we all know, he likes to color red. Look where we're parking next to, guys.
Oh shit, I didn't even
you didn't see that? Come on, G.
Let me have the transmission.
And it's on BBS's too. It's got the white interior. Damn.
Transmission?
Yeah, take it out. But yeah, guys, good news as well. Nick might be picking up. What are you doing, bro? Nick might be picking up his GTR next week. So yeah, that'll be cool if you can finally get to pick up your car, because it's been what? How many months? 6 months? 8 months?
Yeah, inshallah.
That's crazy. That's a lot of months. But damn, this GTR is nice. I like it. It's clean. No window tint. White, clean. Got wheels on it. White interior. Carbon wing. That's a nice GTR. GTS, and GTR. Bro, this is literally me and you. Except you don't have yours. But yeah, soon. But I like how everything's like whited out. You see that? Yeah. It's pretty cool. It looks different. Yeah, guys, this dealership is actually insane. They literally have everything from Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsches, Benzes, I think classic cars. They have everything in this freaking dealership. If you guys haven't been here and you guys are in the area, I definitely recommend stopping by and checking it out, because they have the craziest freaking showroom. So we're gonna go in there and check it out. But as you can see, damn, this Range Rover is sick. I'm a big SUV guy. I love SUVs. This Range Rover is freaking nice. It's the brand new body, beautiful. It's got gold, as you can see, around the grill, all along the trim in the bottom. It's got all the rose gold. It's very nice. And then here we have a G63 on the monoblock wheels. It's for sure like a 2024, 23 maybe, but it's a very nice G63. Starting off, we got the SVJ. Oh my gosh, we got the Ferrari. This is a nice Ferrari right here. F8. Damn. Oh, GT3 RS. Damn, bro. Huracan Evo, rear-wheel drive.
How did we miss it, Kevin?
You said they closed at 6.
Oh my God, they are closed.
They closed at 5?
Like, how fast are you guys? Go look real quick and come back out.
Holy bro. This is actually ridiculous, dude. Okay. He can go that way, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna start this way. Starting off, look, they got the Rolls Royce. I wanna shoot for them. I wanna take pictures for them. Rolls Royce Dawn. See, we got some Huracan Evos. Got a Huracan Evo, Aventador S, Aventador S, SVJ. Oh my gosh, bro. This is crazy. Damn. Black with the orange is just, whew. It's gotta be the freaking best spec here. We got the Mercedes-Benz SLS. This is the convertible. Wow. Oh my gosh. No way they got an orange Urus. What? This is exactly what I want. This right here. Hold up. We gotta take a photo, guys. That is freaking fire. Orange Urus. Oh my gosh. Orange interior with Alcantara. I think it's a Pearl capsule, if I'm not mistaken. They got the Pearl capsule. Bro, this thing is freaking perfect. G-Wagons. As you go, they got G63s, G63s. They got the new Tesla Cybertruck already? No way. Satin black Tesla Cybertruck. That's crazy. G63, G63s. They got G-Wagons for days. They got more stuff over there. I don't think we can go over there. Ooh, let's get a little peek though. We got a STO. We got a G63. We got a SVJ. We got a Ferrari. But let's keep walking over here. So you can see they got Rolls Royces for days, bro. I can't even count how many Rolls Royces they have. They literally have so many, it's ridiculous. It's like, which one do you pick? Like, if you have the money, let's just say you have the money, you're like, which one should I get? That's a tough choice. And it's crazy because it starts off with like the convertibles, then it, like the Dawns or the Wraiths, then it goes to like the Ghost. And then as you keep going, you go up to like the Phantoms, which is like the bigger body. And then it goes to the Cullinans, which is the SUV, which is like the top of the line one. Oh my, this one's perfect. Mansory Cullinan. Holy shit, bro. Damn, this one's hard. I'm just curious how much. I know I can't afford it, but there's no price. 2019 Rolls Royce. Bro, this shit's sick. Got the wide body on it. Cullinan. This is what I like right here. G63 4x4 squared. Damn, this shit's so nice. Another Cullinan, another Cullinan, another Cullinan. And then you go to the Range Rovers. The Range Rovers are nice too. Damn, they got so many friggin' cars. It's ridiculous. Urus. Urus. Damn, they got Uruses for days. This is a Urus S, I think it is. Urus, another G63 4x4 squared. That's a nice color. It's almost like the GTS color, almost. We got a purple Urus, Urus S. It's got the Laker spec, purple with the yellow brake calipers, yellow seatbelts. Another Urus S, or Performante, sorry, Urus Performante, GT3. But before we continue, let's check out the R8 that Nick is looking at. Damn, that thing is nice. This is really clean.
Sick. Huh?
Yeah, this is a nice color.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, this shit is sick, bro. Yeah, that's fire.
I swear I would never wrap it. Because if I get it already,
No, you gotta leave it red.
I'm gonna wrap it red.
Yeah, the red is
This
sick.
is already red. This is red paint. I
So-
would PPF it and
This is the rear wheel drive, all wheel drive? How do you tell?
I don't know. I think this might be the all drive one.
How much do they want? There's no price. 2017 R8. Damn, this shit's clean, bro.
I was telling them though, like, this one is $30,000 cheaper than the one in Arizona. That's a big difference.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
But this is like the spec that I want. The white one, the one in Arizona isn't really the
Yeah.
spec that I want.
Yeah, no, it's clean. That's a nice R8. Very nice. But yeah, as you can see, they have cars for days. Literally for days. It goes all the way to the end, all around the dealership. Different colors, yeah. They got the new GT3 in red. They got the GT3 RS in, I think this is like signal green. I don't know. Black GT3 RS. Damn, this one's nice. Oof. This one though, right here. This is a nice spec. Damn. That is freaking fire. It's like a Nardo gray color with the red wheels. Another GT3 RS, lava orange. All Ferraris over here. I'm not really too crazy on Ferraris, but if I did go with the Ferrari, for sure it'd be like this Pista right here. This Pista is freaking nice.
You like it, G?
Yeah, that's a sick Pista.
Pieces are insane.
F12s or A12. Damn, this one's nice too right here.
I didn't even go look at the Lambo. There's a couple Lambos over there.
We just gotta buy one already. We gotta stop playing. This is the Artura. This is the new McLaren Artura. This is a nice color. Huh?
Joe has that interior?
No, Joe's interior is black. This is a nice Bentley too. Nardo gray. Check out that interior real quick. It's just sick. I know, man. SVJ. Man.
This is the end, bro.
How do we get to this level?
Once I
Please,
have this,
tell me.
I don't need any other car, bro. But we're working our way up.
Oh my god, bro. It's perfect.
Dude,
Black with
this
the
thing
orange.
is perfect. Got the orange J on it.
That's so sick.
This is literally the Kevin spec, dude.
Bro, look at the mats, the floor mats.
Damn.
But yeah, we're back to this beauty right here. I believe this is a Pearl capsule. It has to be, because I know Pearl capsules come with like Alcantara seats. Has to be. 2022. Yeah, for sure it's a Pearl capsule. It's got all the carbon all through the dash. It's got the Alcantara steering wheel. This thing is just freaking, it's on point, bro. This is literally exactly how I want it. But yeah, you can't go wrong with the Aventador. Actually, this is the Ultimate. So this is the last of the Aventador before they stopped with making Aventadors. But look at that. That is insane. That interior is just crazy. I know, we gotta go. But yeah, guys, out of this whole entire showroom, if you guys had to choose, I'll give you guys, if you had to choose 5 cars, 5, and that's it for the rest of your life, comment down below which car would you guys be getting. 5 of them, and that's it. You stick with them for the rest of your life. You cannot get rid of them. They're literally with you. You can't get another car. You can't buy another car. They're stuck with you for the rest of your life. Comment down below. Damn, we got the Aston Martin, the 707. Is it? The DBX 707?
007?
Or 007? I don't even know what they're called. I don't know. It's too rich for me, G.
There's not much to it, you know?
Question though. Out of all the cars that were in there, out of all of them, you can only choose 5.
Bro,
Which one are you going for?
I just want the SVJ. I don't need 5. I swear to God, I don't need 5. Give me the SVJ. I'll be happy, bro. That black spec is sick.
Yeah,
You
the
saw
black
gray
one was nice. Yeah, the gray one was nice too.
That one's been here for a while, but
5. You can't really 5?
all right.
Go. Obviously, SVJ is gonna be 1.
SVJ. I'll pick the gray one though with the red accents.
The one that's in here.
Yeah, and you can
Yeah.
get the orange one, G.
Okay.
And then I'll take one of the Cullinans. I'll take the black GT3 RS with the red accents. You saw it?
Yeah.
The new one.
Yeah, I saw it.
And then I'll take one of the Ferraris, like maybe like the Pista was hard.
Okay.
I'll take a Pista. And then one more G. Oh, obviously the R8. I'll take the R8 right now.
The R8.
That'll be my daily.
Oh boy.
That's a lot of cars, bro. I
Yeah,
really don't need that many. Like all I want is SVJ and then like a daily Cullinan or something. Imagine, bro.
Yeah.
You literally wouldn't need any other car for the rest of your life.
Yeah, that's true. My 5 would be, what, the Pagani's right there?
Pagani service. You need to take it in?
Yeah. Pagani needs service. I would choose the orange years that was in there, the G63 4x4 square, the Mansory Cullinan that was in there, the SVJ, and the GT3 RS.
I didn't even look at the SUVs.
You didn't see them? They had a Mansory.
I didn't even look
They had a
at the
Mansory
Urus.
Cullinan in
I
there.
totally forgot. Yeah, I'm sure I had a
They had a Urus Performante, Urus S. They had a bunch, but for sure the orange one, the SVJ, GT3 RS, G63 4x4 square, and the Mansory Cullinan. And look who we met up with. Met up with the homie Nico Banks. All right, guys, we have finally made it. I guess it's somebody's private car collection. And there's a bunch of cars. And we get to film all the cars over there. GT3s. There's a bunch of crazy cars, but let's go inside, see what's in there. Holy shit, bro. That is insane.
I think so, bro.
Bro. Wow. How's this possible? Look at it, bro. R8, G.
Wow, okay, yeah, maybe he does own all these.
Rich. What's up, G? How are you? Good, you? Chilling. Holy shit, bro. This is what Nick wants right here. Yo. This is sick, though. The ZL1?
ZL1.
Damn. Oh, GT2.
That's
GT2.
so rare.
GT2. That's rare. That is rare.
What the?
That's crazy.
That is. Satin PPF. Wow.
Wow, rich?
Rich. That's like what? $6,000?
Yeah. Look at the wagon. No way. Alpina wagon.
Alpina?
That's rare.
Bro,
Yo.
So, you know what I do? I devalue it. I make it E46 M3. I devalue it.
Put stars in there?
Yeah, put stars and everything. Yep.
Damn. That's crazy.
Wait, there's more.
Bro, no way. Oh, this is fire. Hold up, this is fire.
Man.
GT3 RS. That's fire.
That thing is worth
GT3 RS. And no, orange. What's over here? Holy crap, bro. No way, dude. What? No way. That's insane.
Bro, what is this place?
It's an old style.
Where are we, bro?
It's like a barn.
Got old school G-Wagons. Look at that. Look all over there. No way.
There's a lot of money in here for sure.
Damn, that's insane.
Oh, the wagon. That's
That is
just hard.
sick. Yeah, that is fire. Oh my gosh, dude. Yo, this color is fire right here.
Bro, this is hard.
This color is nice with the
BBS.
yeah, with the BBSs, that color. That's sick.
I don't even think I could drive this car. I don't know how to drive manual from the right side. I know it's the same.
It's confusing, huh?
Yeah, but like it's like shifting with your left hand.
Yeah.
I can do it with my right.
Kaiser cars, that's crazy, bro. Like, it's actually ridiculous how many crazy and rare cars are in here. And they're all in pristine condition too. That's the crazy part. Oh my gosh, bro. No way. How crazy. That is wild. Look at that, guys. Dude. Damn. Look at this color. Wow, that's fire. Hey guys, I might have to do a little montage because I don't want to get demonetized for the music in the background. So, I don't know. Might have to do a little montage. Don't want to get copyrighted. So, here we go. Damn, look at that, guys. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Look how many tires and wheels this guy has. What the? No freaking way. Yo, let me borrow some wheels, G. Shit. That's crazy. Look at that. He's got them all for days. Bro, that's insane. What the heck is this? Oh my. This shit's wild. What is this? Should have run me over. We got the GT2 RS, super rare. Got the Lexus LFA V10, super rare too. You don't see these a lot. That's crazy. With red interior too, that's pretty sick right there. Got the GTR, the Nismo, got the V-Spec, we got the Supra. So many to choose from. It's actually crazy, guys. It's like, which one do you drive? It's hard to drive them all. You literally have a car every single day of the week. It's actually crazy. What the heck? The wall?
It's all made of real pennies.
No way.
But all around.
Look at that, guys. It's all pennies. 599 GTO. Over your GTR? Shut up, bro.
I love my car too much.
This is insane. This is so rare. Look at all the carbon everywhere. Bro, this is crazy. Look at that. All the carbon through the pillars. Dude. That's crazy. Damn, you got some old school rare Porsches. Look at this. Bro. Hey, low key. Hey, if the world is ending, I'm hopping in this thing, bro. Got the homie Luis's E92 M3. Super clean. God damn. We got the Porsche wide body. It's like a Nardo gray. Damn, that shit hella wide, bro. Oh my, look at that. Guys, the freaking Honda Element on TEs. That's crazy, bro. We got the G80 frozen blue. Okay, it's pretty clean. What do we got here? We got a GT3. It's pretty sick too. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.